everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all have watched the part 1 in which I have shared all the products I have for the base makeup, and in today's video I am going to share all the products I have for the eye makeup. So yes, if you guys want to know that what products I have for the eye makeup, then let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first eyeshadow palette I have is the Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. It is from Huda Beauty. All of you know that, I think, and this is how it looks like. Whenever I want to create cool types of undertones, I usually go with this one, and its glitters are also way too good. And then I have Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks, and you can see that how much I love it. Like, I almost have finished these 4 shades, and that black one and this one shade is also going to finish, so you can, and this one also, so you can see that how much I love it. And this highlighter is way too good. Literally, this eyeshadow palette is must for the brides. And then I have Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette in the rose gold, and this is how it looks, and this is also perfect for the bridal makeup. Like, whenever you want warm type of eye makeup, at that time you can go with this palette. Like, I go with this palette. And then I have, wait, let me carry first. Okay, so then I have this one with me. This is Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks. For the clients, like for the bridal makeup, I only go with these pressed glitters, I don't go with the warm shades or the cool shades. Like, I go with, sometimes I go with these brown shades, but I never go with all other shades for my brides. Like, I have many good palettes in which I have these shades, so I'd never go with these shades in this palette. I love its glitter so much. Like, in today's video also I have used its glitter, and you can see that how beautiful they are looking. So yes, this palette is good for its glitter. And then I have, wait, and then I have this James Charles eyeshadow palette, Morphe James Charles. I don't know why I'm pronouncing it incorrect. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I rarely use this. Like, कभी कभार मैं इस palette को use कर लेती हूँ. I don't use it too often. And then I have this Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and this is how it looks. I love this palette so much. This shade, I love it so much. This glitter, like, its glitter are way too pigmented, and its matte shades are also, its cool warm shades, all the shades are way too pigmented. Like, I love this palette so much, and it has 3 highlighter as well, but I don't like, I have never used this highlighter for my clients and for myself also. Like, I have never used it. And I have many more palettes with me, but I don't include all that palette in my vanity, because that all palettes are not way too pigmented, and I cannot find a wow factor in them. So I don't like carry all these products, all other eyeshadow palettes in my vanity. But if you guys want to know that what eyeshadow palettes I have and what I love about them, I have made one video in which I have shared that what eyeshadow palettes, only I'm talking about the eyeshadow palettes I have in that video, so you can go and check that out. I will like keep the link in the DB, so you can go and easily find that video. Okay, so now moving on, I have another palette from Pat McGrath, and I freaking love it. Like, it only has 3 matte shades, but it has all the other shades are shimmer, and its shimmers are way too good. Like, when you want natural shine, you can go with this palette. Like, I go with this palette. This is how it looks, and you can see, wait, yes, and you can see that it only has 3 shades of matte, and all the other shades are of shimmer. and I love it shimmer so much. Like you can create multiple eye looks by using only this palette, and I love its glitter so much. Like you can imagine कि अगर मैं इतनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ तो कितना ही ज़्यादा मुझे पसंद होगा. And then I have, wait, कहाँ गया? Yes, and then I have Pixie का palette. This is how it looks. Like ये जो है वो है pressed glitter, but आप इसको बिना ग्लू के लगा सकते हो. ये लगेगा आपको लूज ग्लिटर जैसे ही. Let me swatch it for you. Like this is how it looks, and these are also way too pigmented. Like whenever I want to create traditional looks, I hope you are getting my point what I mean with the word traditional. So at that time I go with this palette. It is in the shade Gold Lava, and I have some loose glitters pigments with me as well, so let me show you that as well. ओके सो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, जो भी मेरे हाथ में आएगा मैं आपको वही दिखाती जाऊंगी, बिकॉज आई हैवंट अरेंज्ड ऑल द प्रोडक्ट. सो जो भी मेरे हाथ में आएगा मैं आपको वही दिखाती जाऊंगी. सो द फर्स्ट आई हैव इज दिस स्टार डस्ट. इट इज अ लूज ग्लिटर डेली लाइफ फॉरएवर 52 का इन द शेड ब्रॉन्ज चैंडलर. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. It is in the copper side, so whenever I want a little bit shine in the shade copper, I go with this one. And this is the loose glitter, so for this one we need glue to paste it. So for that I use pack का glue. I will show you that one also जब वो मेरे हाथ में आएगा. And for the lashes I have eyelash glue. Like lashes को चिपकाने के लिए I have this eyelash glue. It is of Miss Clear and they are also too good. So this is how it looks. इसके 3 शेड आते हैं, एक ब्लैक आता है, एक वाइट आता है, एक ट्रांसपेरेंट आता है. एंड आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल द 3 शेड्स, बट मोस्टली मुझे ब्लैक वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, सो आई बॉट दिस वन. मतलब मैंने इसकी 2 बॉटल्स ऑलरेडी फिनिश कर चुकी है. एंड आई हैव दैट ट्यूब वाला lash glue also Miss Clear का, but I don't like that much. I love this one. Okay, so the next I have is in color exposed in the shade 02. This is how it looks. It is a pressed glitter. Let me swatch it for you. Like if you guys want to see, I don't know whether you guys want to see or not. ये भी टूटा हुआ है. इसमें हल्का सा ग्रीन शेड आ गया है क्योंकि मैंने जब आई लुक क्रिएट किया था उस वक्त का आ गया है, बट कोई बात नहीं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वे टू पिगमेंटेड एंड इट इज गुड फॉर लाइक आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन वीडियो फॉर वन एंड डन आई शेडो ऑल्सो इन शॉर्ट I have made, and I have included this product in that video. So this is also good. And then I have this one Bivon का HD pigment eyeshadow powder. When I want a little shine, I don't want shimmer particles, I want little shine in the eye look. At that time I go with the pigment. What are the what are the pigments? It is the loose powder which we can use for the shine on the eye looks. It also come in different shades as well, but this one I love silver type of shade. At that time I want, so I go with this one. I purchased this one. And okay, so now I am back and we have another shade that is in color exposed in the shade 06. It is also a pressed glitter. It is in the pink shade. And then I have this Miss Clear shimmer dust particle. It is a little bit loose particle. Like earlier I showed you, I have shown you which one, Forever 52 का bronze chandler loose glitter. So that was way too, like I'm not telling you that was chunky, but in comparison with that, this one Miss Clear का, उसके comparison में वो थोड़ा बहुत जो था ना, क्या बोलते हैं, इसके कंपैरिजन में वो बड़ा था, बट ये जो है वो स्मॉल ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स हैं. I don't know whether you can see on the camera or not, but this is how it looks. They are also too good. Like when you want a colorful shine in your eye look, you can go with this one, and I love this one so much. Okay, so the next product we have is the In Color luster dust in the shade 01 golden rod, and this is how it looks. This is also pigment, like it is a loose powder in the shade yellow. It is from In Color in the shade 01 golden rod. ओके, सो इट इज़ द पिगमेंट. ओके, मैंने शायद एक ही बात को 2-3 बार बोल दिया है. एंड देन आई हैव दिस इंग्लॉट का जेल आईलाइनर, बट मुझे इंग्लॉट के जेल आईलाइनर से ज़्यादा मेबलिन का जेल आईलाइनर अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि मेबलिन का जेल आईलाइनर क्या जल्दी नहीं सूखाता. नो डाउट कि जेल आईलाइनर जल्दी सूख जाते हैं, बट यू कैन सी दैट हाउ मच इट इज़ लेफ्ट, एंड मैं इसको यूज़ भी नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि ये पूरा सूख चुका है. बट आई लव मेबलिन जेल आईलाइनर सो मच. You can see that how much I have used, and still it is not dried. I can use this, like whatever left in that I can use that also. And then I have, it is Kiko Milano color eyeshadow. Shade कहाँ लिखा है? I cannot find the shade over here, but yes, this is how it looks and I love it. Seriously, I love it this so much कि मतलब एक तो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे क्या लगती है, छोटी छोटी डिब्बियाँ होती है ना, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. सो इट्स लाइक वे टू क्यूट, लाइक इट्स सो क्यूट, एंड येस, सो आई लव इट. लाइक it is a pastel green color, so when I want to create pastel green eye look, I go with this one. This is how the shade looks like. And then I have this Miss Clear eyeshadow in the shade yellow. I don't know why, like why I bought this. मेरे पास जो इतनी eyeshadow palettes हैं उन सब में yellow है, but then too I was attracted to this and I bought it, and I haven't used it also, like so much I haven't used this. And then I have this pack का छोटू सा cute सा little eyeshadow. It is also packed. I haven't used it. I will open it and use it. Let me see. I will make one short video in which I will go with all the छोटी डिब्बियाँ जिसमें eyeshadow है, मतलब जो भी मेरे पास प्रेस्ड ग्लिटर्स हैं और ये जो 3 शेड्स हैं, एंड लेट्स सी कि किस टाइप का आई लुक क्रिएट होता है. आई विल क्रिएट दैट one shot, and please do subscribe my channel. It will means the world to me. And yes, now moving on, then I have Swiss Beauty loose foil pigment in the shade 07, and this one is also way too good. मतलब आपको ये दिखने में चंकी लगेगा, बट जब आप इसको लगाओगे तो ये आपको एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी शाइन देगा. सो आई लव इट. इन सबको यूज़ करने के लिए आई यूज़ दिस पैक का ग्लू. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. आई यूज़ दिस ग्लू फॉर ऑल माई लूज ग्लिटर. एंड फॉर द आईब्रो आई हैव this Anastasia ka Dippo Made, and it is in the shade dark brown. We Indians always should go with the dark brown shade. I used to have NYX ka brow mascara. I used to have that one also, but it is broken, so I throw it. Okay, so now coming to the lashes, I have different mascaras with me. So the first one is Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. This is how it looks like. Whenever I want volume in my lashes, so I go with this one, or whenever I want lashes to be separated and I don't want so much volume, I just want lashes to be lift up, so at that time I go with this one. This is from Smashbox, and I use this Mars mascara as well. I love this Mars mascara so much. You can see lashes कितनी प्यारी लग रही हैं लैशेस विदाउट यूजिंग लैशेस, लाइक फॉल्स लैशेस. सो आई गो विद दिस वन एज वेल. एंड देन आई हैव Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Whenever like monsoon season is there, so I go with this one to make the lashes waterproof. And I have NYX Professional Mascara. इसकी कोई ऐसी खास क्वालिटी तो नहीं है, सो जब मेरा मन करता है तब मैं ये अपने ऊपर यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. ओके, सो आई थिंक आई हैव शोन यू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव फॉर द आई मेकअप्स, एंड इन द पार्ट 3 you will see what products I have for the lip products, like what products I have for the lips, and I will show you the tools as well, including brushes and sponges and lights. So yes, please do subscribe it. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Bye. Like, share, comment and subscribe.